Some animals with real superpowers would make even Batman jealous. The amazing abilities that these creatures possess may seem like something out of a comic book, but they're authentic. From critters that create shockwaves hotter than the sun to animals that live forever, in this video we look at incredible animals with real-life superpowers that could rival anything from the pages of a comic book. Kicking off today's video with the horseshoe bat. These nocturnal vigilantes have perfected a skill that even the most advanced gadgets would envy: echolocation. These bats can construct a three-dimensional map of their environment without relying on their eyes by emitting ultrasonic calls that echo off objects. It's as if they're equipped with a built-in radar system, granting them the uncanny ability to detect obstacles, prey, and even subtle changes in their surroundings with unparalleled precision. Every call bounces off the contours of trees, buildings, and even fluttering insects, delivering an intricate soundscape that paints an invisible yet vivid picture of their surroundings. With their sensitive ears attuned to the echoes, these creatures perform aerial acrobatics that would leave any stunt pilot in awe. Navigating through the inky blackness, they can calculate distances and shapes, ensuring every swoop and glide is executed with grace and accuracy. Besides this one superpower, the bats have another secret weapon. You see, their distinctive nose shapes give them their name. Their unique facial structures, resembling, you guessed it, horseshoes, play a pivotal role in focusing and directing their ultrasonic calls. This biological innovation elevates their echolocation to superhero status, allowing them to perceive nuances in their environment that remain hidden from our human senses. But moving on, we have the naked mole rat, which has a unique ability that has left scientists scratching their heads. You see, these wrinkly rodents have emerged as nature's ultimate time twisters. Despite the years ticking by, these creatures manage to keep their youthful vigor intact. How do they do it? Well, they boast an uncanny resistance to cancer. Shocking, right? These rat cells have an extraordinary ability to fend off the rapid division that often leads to tumor growth, making them virtually immune to this all-too-common scourge of aging. But the naked mole rat doesn't stop at defying cancer. This little wrinkled wonder has some other age-busting tricks up its hairless sleeve. Unlike most mammals, these rodents don't experience a decline in reproductive capacity as they grow older. In fact, their fertility remains rock solid throughout their lives, a feat that has left researchers wide-eyed and curious about the hidden genetic gems responsible for such enduring prowess. While most rodents have relatively short lifespans, the naked mole rat defies this trend. These critters have been known to live for over 3 decades, which is quite a feat considering their size and burrowing lifestyle that exposes them to numerous hazards. Scientists are currently studying the rat's DNA to unlock the molecular secrets behind its remarkable abilities. Could their anti-aging tricks pave the way for human therapies? Only time will tell. From one fascinating animal to another. Next on the list is the cuttlefish, an animal with a unique ability. The cuttlefish can morph its appearance in the blink of an eye, therefore allowing it to adapt to any background or situation. These remarkable cephalopods possess a sophisticated skin that contains specialized cells called chromatophores. These cells contain pigments and can expand or contract rapidly, enabling the cuttlefish to change its skin color and pattern with astonishing precision. The cuttlefish takes things further by employing its papillae, which are small, muscle-controlled bumps on its skin. By manipulating these papillae, the cuttlefish can create a three-dimensional texture that mimics the surfaces it encounters. It's like having a built-in chameleon suit that transforms not only in color, but also in texture, allowing the cuttlefish to blend seamlessly into its environment. Cuttlefish use their incredible ability to hunt and avoid becoming someone else's dinner. When stalking prey, they can change their appearance to mimic rocks or coral, inching closer without alerting their prey. And when faced with danger, they can transform into a convincing predator, scaring off potential threats. Moving on, we have the pistol shrimp. And yeah, this animal possesses a unique weapon. The pistol shrimp may be small, but its weaponry is nothing short of extraordinary. This unassuming creature is armed with one mighty claw that's a force to be reckoned with. When it snaps its claw shut, It creates a cavitation bubble, a tiny underwater vacuum that collapses with an explosive shockwave. This shockwave generates temperatures that can rival the sun's surface, reaching up to a staggering 4,000 degrees Celsius. Just imagine the energy of a lightning bolt crammed into a tiny underwater explosion. It's a natural feat that rivals even the most extravagant special effects. But up next, we have the peregrine falcon, one of the fastest animals on the planet. This unassuming bird of prey is designed for one thing: velocity. Its hunting technique, known as a stoop, is a masterclass in aerodynamics. During a stoop, the falcon tucks in its wings and plummets straight down from incredible altitudes. In this gravity-defying dive, the peregrine falcon achieves mind-bending speeds, clocking in at over 240 miles per hour, and sometimes even faster. Imagine witnessing a bird race through the sky at speeds that rival cutting-edge fighter jets. It's a demonstration of raw power and precision that leaves comic book heroes in the dust. With its ability to lock onto prey mid-flight and strike with pinpoint accuracy, the peregrine falcon embodies nature's very own definition of a high-speed superhero. But speaking of superheroes, next we have the archerfish, the sniping specialist. These aquatic sharpshooters have a unique knack for targeting insects with remarkable accuracy. Picture this: an archerfish lurking beneath the water's surface, spying on an insect resting on a nearby leaf. In a swift move, it squirts a jet of water from its mouth, precisely calibrated to knock the insect off its perch and into the water. This isn't a random spray. The archerfish adjusts its shot depending on the target's distance and size, showcasing its impressive aiming skills. What's even more remarkable is how archerfish handle the challenge of underwater shooting. Despite the refractive properties of water, these aquatic marksmen have honed their skills to strike accurately beneath the surface. It's like having a skilled sniper that can hit the bullseye, whether on land or underwater. Moving on next, we have the lyrebird, a bird with unique vocal abilities. The lyrebird's mimicry game is a force to be reckoned with. These avian marvels, native to the rainforests of Australia, have perfected the art of vocal imitation to such an extent that they can mimic a symphony of sounds that extends far beyond their feathered counterparts. From the trill of kookaburras to the chatter of other bird species, lyrebirds exhibit a remarkable ability to recreate the soundscape around them. These feathered maestros can also mimic mechanical sounds with astonishing precision. The metallic clank of chainsaws, the whir of camera shutters, and even the blaring of car alarms. Nothing seems off-limits to their uncanny vocal talents. Researchers believe that their mimicry prowess isn't just for entertainment. It might also play a role in attracting mates and establishing their territory. Up next, we have another shrimp species. The peacock mantis shrimp has eyes that redefine the word vibrantly. These marine visionaries possess ocular wonders that are a marvel of evolutionary engineering. With not one, not two, but a whopping 16 types of photoreceptor cells, they perceive a world of colors and patterns that extend beyond the human spectrum. Imagine seeing colors that don't even have names in our human vocabulary. It's like wearing kaleidoscope glasses and diving into a realm of visual splendor that's a symphony of hues and tints, each more vivid than the last. Their eyes, mounted on independent stalks, provide a remarkable range of vision, nearly 360 degrees, and are capable of moving independently. This means they can scan the ocean expanse for threats, prey, or potential mates without turning their bodies. The peacock mantis shrimp's visual prowess doesn't stop at perceiving colors. They're also lightning-fast hunters capable of striking their prey with the speed of a bullet. Their clubs pack such a punch that they can shatter glass aquarium walls. Take that X-ray vision. The ocean has plenty of species with incredible powers. Take the jellyfish, for instance. These gelatinous creatures have the incredible ability to turn back the clock on their life cycle, just like hitting rewind on a movie. After reaching maturity, it can revert back to its juvenile stage, starting its life cycle anew. This phenomenon, known as transdifferentiation, allows the jellyfish to effectively cheat death and potentially live forever. Unlike most creatures, which age and deteriorate over time, the immortal jellyfish gets a cosmic mulligan. When it faces threats, encounters environmental stress, or simply reaches the end of its life cycle, it undergoes a transformation that takes it back to its earliest stage. It's like hitting Ctrl+Z on a biological level, rewriting the story of its existence. This remarkable ability has captivated scientists and triggered investigations into whether the jellyfish's secret could hold the key to combating age-related diseases in humans. So, what do you think of these magical creatures? Which of these superpowers do you wish you had? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching.